What's going on YouTube? This is LCDSmartKey.com. I'm here with the V6 on the Chrysler 2019 300. We're gonna just go ahead and run through the test on it real quick. So let's do the lock. Perfect. Let's do the unlock. Perfect. Let's do the alarm. Perfect. And then the trunk, we've already tested that, but the trunk works on it. It's real windy out here. Y'all know that Hurricane Ian and stuff, so you know, got the buttons on the side too. Lock, unlock, and then trunk is down there. Like I said, it already works. We tested it. Again, this is the Chrysler 300 2019. This thing is beautiful, man. And we did it on the V6 LCD Smart Key. And I'm gonna give it to my man right now. All right, appreciate it. All right, y'all hit me up if you need a key down for your car. It's 678-400-9150. Again, this is LCDSmartKey.com.
Damn, girl, you truly looking bad. See what niggas fuck with you cause you not bad. See. Like brown, white or dark right now. Bitch, I'm up right now. Look around, it's so astounding. That flow I found, money count. And a man a clown, so I come to town. Let me pound it, I cut him down with a couple rounds. Left him down, yeah. Cause you a bad little bitty. Bad, every nigga working, trying to bag little bitty. She shortin' niggas circus if the bag ain't pretty.